Imagine a pickup truck that can think ahead, power your entire house, drive itself on the highway, and still outwork most machines on a job site. That's exactly what the 2026 Ford F-150 is doing. What's up, everyone? Subscribe my channel. Today we're diving deep into the 2026 new Ford F-150. And trust me when I say this is not just a pickup truck anymore. This is a rolling piece of advanced engineering, luxury technology, and raw American power wrapped into one bold, futuristic machine. Ford didn't just update the F-150 for 2026. They redefined what a full-size truck can be. And by the end of this video, you'll understand exactly why this is one of the most advanced and expensive-feeling trucks ever built. From the very first glance, the 2026 Ford F-150 looks smarter, sharper, and more commanding than ever before. The redesigned front fascia brings a more aggressive LED lighting signature with intelligent matrix headlights that actively adapt to traffic, weather, and road conditions in real time. These headlights don't just turn on, they think. They automatically shade sections of the beam to avoid blinding other drivers while keeping maximum illumination everywhere else. The grille now integrates active aerodynamic shutters that open and close depending on cooling needs, improving efficiency without sacrificing performance. Under the hood, Ford has taken performance to a new level. The 2026 F-150 offers next-generation EcoBoost engines with improved turbo efficiency, better fuel delivery, and enhanced thermal management. But the real star is the upgraded Power Boost hybrid system. This system delivers massive torque instantly, making towing feel effortless, while also significantly improving fuel economy. The electric motor works seamlessly with the gas engine, providing silent low-speed driving and explosive acceleration when you need it. This truck doesn't hesitate, it responds. Towing and hauling are smarter than ever before thanks to Ford's new AI-assisted towing technology. The truck now uses a network of cameras, radar sensors, and machine learning to predict trailer sway before it even starts. It actively adjusts braking, throttle, and steering to keep everything stable. There's also an advanced trailer backup system that allows you to guide your trailer using a simple rotary controller or even voice commands. Yes, you can literally tell your truck where you want the trailer to go. Step inside the 2026 Ford F-150 and the transformation is dramatic. This interior feels more like a high-end luxury SUV than a work truck. Premium leather seating with multi-zone heating, ventilation, and massage functions comes standard on higher trims. The dashboard is dominated by a massive curved digital display that seamlessly blends the instrument cluster and infotainment into one fluid visual experience. The graphics are ultra sharp, the animations are smooth, and everything feels fast and responsive. Ford's latest sync system is a huge leap forward. It's powered by advanced processors that allow instant boot up, zero lag, and deep personalization. The system learns your driving habits, preferred routes, favorite music, and even cabin temperature preferences. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto are smoother than ever, and there's full integration with cloud-based navigation that updates traffic, weather, and road hazards in real time. One of the most impressive upgrades for 2026 is the new hands-free driving system. This next-generation Blue Cruise allows true hands-free driving on even more highways and now includes automatic lane changes, predictive speed adjustment, and curb anticipation. The truck reads the road ahead and adjusts speed before you even realize you need to slow down. It feels confident, smooth, and incredibly futuristic. Storage and practicality are taken to another level as well. The interior now includes a redesigned center console that transforms into a flat workspace, perfect for laptops, tablets, or paperwork. There are hidden storage compartments everywhere, including under-seat vaults with electronic locks. Ford understands that this truck isn't just for driving, it's for working, traveling, and living. The 2026 F-150 also pushes boundaries with its power capabilities. The onboard generator system has been upgraded, delivering more output than ever before. You can power tools, camping equipment, appliances, or even an entire house during a blackout. This truck isn't just transportation, it's a mobile power station. Imagine showing up to a job site or campsite with everything you need already built into your vehicle. Safety has reached an entirely new standard. The truck now includes 360-degree enhanced vision with night detection, pedestrian recognition, and animal detection using thermal imaging. The braking system can react faster than human reflexes, and the reinforced frame uses advanced materials that are both lighter and stronger. Every detail is engineered to protect you and everyone around you. Even the tailgate is smarter. The new multi-function tailgate includes an integrated digital scale, a deployable step, built-in work lighting, and a hands-free opening system. It can even remember your preferred opening height. Small details like this show just how much thought Ford put into making this truck feel premium and intelligent. What truly makes the 2026 F-150 special is how it blends toughness with sophistication. It still feels like a real truck, capable, powerful, and ready for hard work, but it now delivers a level of refinement, technology, and comfort that rivals luxury vehicles costing far more. This is not just an upgrade, it's a statement. Ford has clearly designed the 2026 F-150 for drivers who want everything: performance, innovation, luxury, and reliability in one package. Whether you're towing heavy loads, cruising long highways, powering a work site, or just enjoying a quiet, comfortable ride, this truck adapts to your lifestyle effortlessly. If you're excited about the future of trucks, the 2026 F-150 is a clear sign that the future is already here. Let me know what you think about this next-generation pickup in the comments, and if you enjoyed this deep dive, don't forget, what's up everyone, subscribe my channel.